Hello and welcome to our first lecture from this course on how to use DesignBold to create your specific designs for your own needs, for your business, for your clients, for whatever other purposes you might have in terms of creating graphic designs. Now, DesignBold is a free platform that you can use directly online. It's very simple to create an account on DesignBold, and after that you have at your disposal a set of templates that you can use. So it's very easy for you to create professionally looking designs without having to outsource anything, without having to spend a lot of hours to practically create designs or templates from scratch. You just have to go ahead, create a free account, follow the steps that you will see in this course, and you will be able to create different types of graphics for your business in no time. So without no further ado, let's dive into the actual information and show you in this first lecture exactly how you can create an account and how your dashboard will look like. First of all, you can already see that I'm logged in here. I will log out for the moment. This is how the platform looks like. You have to go on designbold.com. You can see the address here, and you have more options of signing up. First of all, if you click sign up in the right top corner, you will be able to create a new account using an email address and a password, but most of you probably already have Facebook, Google or Twitter, so you can sign up using Facebook, Google or Twitter. It's much more simpler. I've personally used Facebook. Okay, now let me log in to my account. I will log in with Facebook, and you will see I will be redirected in a couple of minutes, very fast. Okay, just bear with me here, and we are pretty much done. Okay, so this is it. This is my dashboard. You will see that I already have some designs in here. You can see after you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. You will have an upper menu here, on a horizontal menu, and in the left side you will have different designs. Okay, left side main menu, and here in the canvas you can see my designs. Okay, so basically things that I've tested, I've created for my own needs. Okay, so very simple workspace templates, pricing. You also have a pro version of DesignBold, obviously, the option to create a new design, and this is what we are interested in and we will discuss about in the new lecture. And your designs here, if you click on one of the designs, let's say this one, and you double click on it, it will open in a new tab in your browser and you will be able to edit it. Okay, so this is how the editor will look like, the main editor. Okay, very simple. This is how the dashboard works. This is how you create an account on DesignBold. Nothing complicated so far. I'm looking forward to see you in the next lecture where we will discuss how you can create a new design. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to the next lecture from this course on how to use DesignBold. In this lecture we will talk about how you can create a new design, how you can select a new template in accordance to the purpose of your graphic design. Maybe it's for your business, maybe you want to create a Facebook ad, maybe you want to create a Facebook cover photo. It doesn't matter, you have plenty of templates, and what is more important than that, you have plenty of free templates from which you can choose so you can create the perfect design for your own needs or for your business. So let's dive in. After you log into your account, you will see the dashboard and you will have an option here which says new design. Okay, in the upper horizontal menu, just click on the new design option and you will see here the possibility to search for a specific type of design. Let's say that you want a Facebook cover or a Facebook canvas. Okay, we have plenty of options. If you will just click in the search option, you will see we have Tumblr graphic, Facebook canvas. You just have to scroll down and you will see plenty of templates. Okay, plenty of them. Another way to go for a template is just to scroll through the slides, okay, through the slider that you have here with the templates and the images, and you can check all of them out. Another good option is to see all the doc types. Okay, you just click on the button, view all doc types, and you will see there are for social media, and then if we scroll down for documents and letters, blogging and ebooks. Basically you have them organized on different categories: marketing materials, events and invitation, ads and commercials, and that's pretty much it. Now, because Facebook ads are very popular these days, let's suppose that we want to create a Facebook ad, right? What we are going to do right now is select this option here, Facebook ad. We click on it and you will see that the editor will open in a new tab in our browser. So basically what's very cool about DesignBold is that you have access to your designs and to the possibility of creating new designs from anywhere you have an internet connection, a pretty decent laptop or computer, and obviously a web browser, right? So let me show you now in the beginning how you can select your own template, and in a different lecture we will start to discuss about how to use different types of elements, right, for your templates so that you can edit them. First of all, this is the canvas. Here you will see how the image looks like. What we have to do in the first place is give a name to our design. Let's say that this is test 1, and what we can do right now, test 1, okay, we just have to press the check button. 1 second, test 1, we press the check button, okay, it will be saved like that. Save design title, and in the left side menu from the templates we have to choose a template. Okay, we have plenty of them. Now the ones which you see that don't have this small icon, this small watermark with premium layout, those are for free. You can use them for free. The ones which have the premium layout means that you'll have to pay for them, but you have plenty of free ones, don't worry. Okay, so I have back to school. Let's scroll down, back to school. Let me find one that I actually like. Back to school. Let's try this one, back to school. Okay, so this is the Facebook ad template. This basically here it's like a preview or like the editor, and basically you will see that you have the possibility, this one is created from more layouts. You have the possibility to select different elements from the ad or the template itself and to change them. Okay, like this one from the left side, the one from the right side, the actual text. We can change the text and edit the text. Let me show you an example. Text here. Okay, so you put in your own text with your own percentage discounts, with your own buttons, and you can edit absolutely everything, right? So this is how you load a new template. This is how you edit your template. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about how you can edit different elements from your template so that it's in accordance to your own needs. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use DesignBold to create different types of designs and basically to create the types of graphics designs that you can use for your business without to outsource or spend countless hours on trying to figure out graphic design with complicated apps and softwares like Photoshop or other ones. So in the previous lectures we have seen how you can create an account for free on DesignBold, how you can select the template, and how you can select different types of elements from your template so that you can customize it. Now we will go in more depth about how you can edit these elements so that you have a great looking design that you can use for your business. So first of all, in the previous lecture we have selected this design that you can see right now on your screen. We have seen that we can select different elements of your designs. This is a template which is created from frames. So we have like 2 frames, the one from the left side and the one from the right side. Okay, the one from the left side is a photo and we can edit it pretty simple. Okay, you can see that it's a cropped photo. If you double click on it, you can move it, okay, around. Let's leave it like this. The forward and the back buttons represent basically the editor works in layouts. So you have different elements and you can bring an element to the front of the layout or you can put it in the back of the layout. Let me show you more exactly on the text how this works. If we take it back, you won't be able to see it, right? If we put the background, the black background back, you will be able to see the text again because the text is again in the front of the one of the front layouts, right? So we have different elements which represent different layouts and we work with different layouts. Okay, so one can be in the front and another one in the back. Obviously we want the text to be in the front all the time. Now let me show you how we can change the photo here. You have the option to crop it, you have the option to delete it, you have the option to set transparency, you have different filters, which is pretty cool. Let me select the filters, just 1 second. Okay, you can see that we have some predefined filters here like festive. Okay, and you can see it's changed right now. We can select the intensity of a filter, which is pretty neat. Okay, we can highlight if we want to. So we have different options for these filters, which is pretty damn cool, right? Then we have spacing, okay, from the borders of the photo. We won't use probably a lot that, and that's pretty much it. And we can change the actual photo. Now, how do we change the photo? We go in the left side menu in the element section. We look for free photos. We select all. If you want, you can also upload your own elements. And let's say that we want to put in this one. We just select it and just drag and drop it here. Okay, very, very simple. So absolutely very simple. This is how you edit this part, okay, with the photos. Now let's go to the right side of the image. Here we have a black background. We can change it from here. We have this menu. We can put it on red if we want to. Okay, it looks more nice. Or we can choose the color from here. Okay, let's leave it like that. Then we have the text. We just have to select the text. Okay, and we can customize the text. Just put it home. Okay, we can change the font if we want to. Let me just select the whole text again. We can change the font with this one, for example. You have plenty of fonts here. I'm just showing you guys examples. From here we can change the size of the font. Okay, we can copy the text, we can delete it, and we have some other options as well, which are available for some fonts and from other ones not. For example, if we choose the font Arial, we will have also the option to have a bolded text, an italic text, the uppercase text. Okay, you can see that it makes all the letters upper letters. We can align it, text spacing, we can link the text, and we can give it transparency. Okay, make it less visible, like this one. This is just an example. So this is how we edit text. Then we have these elements here, like these arrows. We can change the color to them. The rest of the text, you know how to use it, okay, and how to customize it. This is basically how you can customize your template. Now, obviously, you can add different new elements to your template. And if we go in the left side menu, in a different lecture, we will show you how you can use elements more in depth, like on a blank canvas. And you can see that we have different elements here, like grids, free photos, premium database, shapes. If we click on all, we will be able to see all the shapes, right, that we can use. And let's say that we want to insert a new shape. We will just select a new shape, let's say this one, and we have inserted it, right? And we can play with the shape. We can change the colors. Every shape will have different options. Let's delete this one. Okay, but that's the whole idea. I mean, you understand, we can also drag and drop it. We can edit the shapes. We can do whatever we want with them. They are simple layers, right? Pretty neat, pretty simple, pretty cool, right? So we can add different elements all the time. So we have shapes, we have grids, we have photos, we have frames. Let me just click on the close button. Lines, we have lines. We can see all the lines in here. Okay, let's go back. And plenty of other options as well. We can close the menu, bring it back. Let me scroll down a little bit. We have frames and we have icons. Icons are pretty cool because you can add different elements like emoticons to your image and so on. But we will discuss about that in our next lecture. That was pretty much for this lecture. I hope that you understand much better right now how you can customize your template and edit it. And in the next lecture, we will see how we can use different elements and how to insert text in our graphic. Now, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.